Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1974 Porsche 914, listed for $20,000 US in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's been driven 69,000 miles, it has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1974 Porsche 914 with a body kit, 2-liter fuel-injected flat 4, 5-speed manual transmission, clean title. And up next, we have a vehicle submitted by viewer Andy. Thank you very much for submitting this, Andy. If you happen to come across a vehicle you think might be a good fit for one of my videos, feel free to send a link to me at mgguyvintagevehicles@gmail.com. There is a link to that email in the video description below. Alright, here we have a 1937 Jaguar replica, listed for $5,000 US in Avalon, Wisconsin. Its condition is listed as used fair, and from the seller's description. Runs and drives, needs brakes, but otherwise everything is done and in good working condition. Cash only, no trades. Alright, here we have a 1969 Kelmark GT Project, listed for $5,000 US in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Its condition is used good, and from the seller's description. On a VW chassis, no motor, no transmission, comes with the turbine black aluminum rims and tires, clear Wisconsin title, price is firm.
Welcome to the Time Machine. Built this car back in the 70s. It's a 1923 Ford Model T C-Cab panel truck. I built it out of fiberglass and wood, powered by a Ford Pinto engine, and sold it back in the 80s and bought it back in 2013 from the last owner. It's my do-over hot rod. Still have it and still enjoy driving it around. Thanks.
Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford Model T C-Cab, listed for $13,000 US in Santa Maria, California. It's been driven 20,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1923 Ford Model T Hot Rod C-Cab, $13,000 as is, no trades, titled as a 1929 Ford, custom fiberglass body, Ford Pinto 2-liter engine, Edelbrock Pony Ram dual intake with dual Holly 1945 carbs, Ford C4 Trans. Alright, anyone that's watched my videos for a while knows that this was my dream car back in the 80s as a teenager. Here we have a 1977 Manta Mirage, listed for $40,000 US in Tampa, Florida. It's been driven 50,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1977 Manta Mirage, new rebuilt big block Chevy, 4-speed, custom headers, genuine weld wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, completely street legal. Okay, here we have a 1999 Lamborghini replica, listed for $25,000 US in New York, New York. It's been driven 107,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, Lamborghini Diablo VT Roadster replica, 90% done, runs and drives, registered and insured. Some dashboard work needs to be completed, very little electrical needed, head and tail lights work. Alright, here we have a vehicle submitted by viewer Eugene. Thank you very much for sending this in, Eugene. Here we have a 1971 Fiberfab Jamaican Project, listed for $15,000 Canadian in East Kootenay, British Columbia. It's been driven 84,338 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1971 Fiberfab Jamaican kit car on a 1998 BMW X3 chassis, inline-six motor and 5-speed manual transmission, ready for finishing details and paint. All the pieces are there. Alright, here we have a 1960 Porsche 356 Custom, listed for $63,000 US in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's been driven 100,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 356 Roadster wide body, many key body and trim pieces from a 62 twin grill Roadster, 3.2 liter 911 6-cylinder with a Steve Wong performance chip and Danks exhaust, custom tube frame and cage, Porsche G50 5-speed manual, Intermechanica body with custom flared rear to fit the engine. Alright, another one submitted by viewer Eugene. Thank you again, Eugene. Here we have a 1929 Mercedes listed for $9,700 Canadian in Spruce Grove, Alberta. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1929 Mercedes kit car, VW chassis, 1600cc engine, runs and drives good. Top is showing some tears. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1969 MP Lafer, listed for $5,995 US in Commack, New York. It is an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1969 MP Lafer MG replica, very rare and desirable body on a Volkswagen chassis, starts, runs, and stops. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.